Museums have been innovating on how to use science, technology, engineering, and math to help their visitors engage with the social issues of our time. A team at Knology examined the results of 2 decades of research to understand what we know. They found studies that focused on climate change, energy choice, nanotechnologies, vaccines, race, and a variety of other topics. They used Joel Best's definition of social problems to select the research. They found over 200 studies in 3 different online libraries. The number of publications increased in the past decade. There were a wide variety of social issues, with climate change being the most common topic in the literature, with race and then health being the second and third most common topic. Researchers primarily focused on the intended and achieved impacts to people's knowledge about an issue immediately after an experience, but we have little evidence of how long those impacts lasted. STEM in these publications primarily focused on science. Phrases like equity or justice frequently appear in studies about social issues, but rarely appeared in articles from museums that focus on STEM. Part of the team also examined the research methods to understand the limits of what can be claimed. The majority of the publications were case studies with a small number of participants and customized measures. That meant that most of the 127 studies represented in the 71 publications that reported participant numbers could not be used to explore a more general principle. Putting it all together, it seems that the intersection of STEM and social issues at informal learning institutions is like the study of rare diseases. Each case study helps us know more, but the reliance on internal measures and lack of benchmarking to validated instruments limits what can be said. There is a lot of potential for museum exhibits and programs to use a STEM lens for exploring social issues. When the social context around a social issue is made clear, people can find relevance for STEM in their lives. The results show that museums can use STEM to engage their publics with some specific social issues, but the field will benefit from more studies that benchmark results of a STEM experience at museums with longer-term impacts on actual public engagement with solving the social issues of our time.